Hello world, welcome back to another video. Coming to you live from my kitchen, and I'm here to show you some of the handmade books that I've just finished making. So this one is a custom order for someone who wanted a nature themed book, and so this is what I came up with. This is the cover, pages, the back of the book, and the binding. I have this little dangly charm here, and there's one just like it in the center that's as a bookmark, except it doesn't have the little diamond thingy in the middle. So this door opens through here. That's the inside of the door. And then you close it again. And then you open the book by releasing this little guy. And this is the book. And in here is the bookmark. I love it so much. When I said the word much, it sounded crazy. All of this is handmade. The door, the ladder, the beads were handmade by my mom. The flower, I painted that little thing I built out of beads. The door I cut out of cardboard. Wrapped everything with tissue paper and gel medium. Here's one I finished today as well. That one I finished yesterday. This one I finished today. Dream diary or journals. It's all blank pages inside. Dangly parts. Little butterfly. A key. This one is not, nobody ordered this one. I just made this one for fun, and it's supposed to be like an Alice in Wonderland theme. I added all the little beads to the spoons, the ladybug, the flowers to that guy, and then you open it, and the inside cover has a dirty mirror that I should have cleaned before making this video. All the pages. The bookmark is here. It's a little butterfly. And then the back cover also has a filthy mirror. So that's this guy. And then I have two tiny ones that I made. This is a drawstring. Oh, drawstring, you hear me? A Drawbridge themed book. And this is the front. These little metal studs are split peas, glued and painted. That's the back. And then to open it like a drawbridge, the bridge comes down, and so do the papers. It's a little pad. I didn't dye the pages on this guy because it was little. I wanted it to be a little sturdier. So that's this guy. I love the colors on the back. And then, ow, this guy. This guy reminds me, this was like with extra cardboard that I had and extra papers, but not papers, but cardboard, because I ended up having to cut the paper to size. But this one reminds me of like a trailer in the mountains while it's snowing. And like if you're into true crime like me, I feel like murder happened here. As terrible as that sounds, but Halloween is looming near, so we can talk about this. So like I feel like bad things happened here, and so the theme of this book is true crime. I call it Murder Mountain. I think it's the cutest thing. So I made the little door. It reminds me of almost like a trailer park home. this shape and stuff. It has a little opening through here. And it's got also just white papers inside. Looks like coagulated blood. I mean, I didn't set off trying to do this. It just, that's what it ended up looking like to me. And the more that I looked at it, the more that I kept saying to myself, bad things have happened here in this little trailer in the mountains. So this is the Murder Mountain. This is the Drawbridge. 2 miniature guys. And the nature-themed journal. Oh, no. And the Alice in Wonderland Gone Mad journal. There has to be another way. So if you guys would like me to make tutorials showing you how to make these fun little magical books, tell me so in comments and I shall. Also, if you're interested in having one of these for your very own, feel free to message me here. Well, you know what? Don't do that. Message me on Instagram instead. My Instagram name is never mind all that. I'll put a link somewhere in the description box. I'm not sure how to do it, but I'll figure it out. And follow me on Instagram and send me a message. I have pictures, more photos and stuff of these books. Alright, world. Thank you for watching my video. Nos vemos en el próximo.